Every once in a while, somebody will come across my YouTube channel and be like, hey, you want to review an app? And while this wasn't an affiliate or anything, it was pretty interesting to see this app called Tooz come out. It's an application that's very well reviewed on the Apple Store, and I was like, all right, well, I might as well give it a try, right? That's how that works. Jumping right into the application, just a quick note, you can change your theme from system, light, or dark. And it's actually a pretty basic application, but I wanted to give it a quick look because you can see here, you can make different lists within this. So like, for example, we take a grocery list, and then within that, you can drop different things like bananas, apples. And then on the top right, you have the choice to publish it to make it publish, share the list, add list to a different list. So like, for example, I could also put it to a day. So make it today. And then if I go to the today page, it'll add that list for the day. And like I saw with the publish, what's interesting is if you go to this thing called Tooz World, you'll see what other people are doing and also what people are posting. So it's almost like a public list situation. So like right here, Netflix recommendations, safety, Kaepernick, those clearly are sports based. And you can have my Toozer, so you could add people to see their lists. So it's almost like a social media integrated with your to-do list. How I'm gonna build a lead gen agency from scratch. Very cool thing that people are doing here. It's just so intriguing to me that they have this as a thing. So as you can tell, there are some basic things you can do like color the background, add hyperlinks within here as well. And unlike some other applications, there actually is a calendar, which I'll give it credit for. So you can move the list to the different days. You can choose whether you want to hide completed things that are checked off or not. You can star different things within here as well. So you can, instead of making it a dash, you can star it. You can change it to be sort of a description type. You can change it to be a to-do, number, bullet, or sublist. So you can toggle and untoggle them here. And then in these sections, it'll load the different stars you have and the different to-dos you have. So all of those different dashes are actually just called things in the first place. And then if you want to make it different, you can change it. You can change the thing type here. There are some things here, so like Command-Shift-S, so that'll allow you to change what this is within here. And as you can tell, that is a Mac option. So very intriguing baseline stuff. And you also have the option to add different views like tags or reminders or on this day. So let's go back to the homepage and actually add a hashtag. Yep, so right here, if we put the hashtag, it's a tag example. You can't put spaces within it, so you'd have to put tag or hyphen then something. So work could be an example, and that is a different way to navigate through this. So we go into here, look at tags, we have the option to check everything that's within the tags. At the top here, you'll see it says find lists and things. So in this list section, you're able to search through different things. You can obviously search through different tags so that you can do that, or you can search in Tooz World, which is very intriguing just that they wanted to do that in the first place. So if we go within this Tooz app as well, you'll see a very similar layout to the left where you have the today, home, calendar, list, stars, and to-dos. And if you press more, you can check out the things like the tags and whatnot. And if you press customize, you have the ability to add these to the top section. And if you upgrade to Pro, you get the tags option to move it up there. So then on the bottom, you have the ability to make more lists. So do another thing like meeting notes. And very similarly, if I tap on the left, you're able to add, or sorry, change what it is, whether it be a star, and then you can check it off or press select there. Press select all, it'll grab everything in here. So it's almost like a new way to navigate through different things because you're not gonna be checking off the dashes. If I do that, I can check off the to-do list and I can move things using that little truck option to a specific day, move it to tomorrow, and you can set a reminder. If I go to the calendar, you'll see that it is tomorrow. And this Tooz World thing is obviously still on the mobile app, which is just so, I just can't get over this. I don't know why. What are your thoughts on this application? Very quick review, I know, but it was just like, what is that Tooz World thing? What do you guys think about using random checklist apps like this? And what do you think about this video on how to improve your productivity even more?